Hello everyone, welcome back to 2-Minute Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download MidJourney application on your mobile device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. In order to get the MidJourney application on your mobile device, you'll first need to go ahead and open up a web browser. Since there is no official application for your mobile devices yet for MidJourney, you can simply add the MidJourney shortcut on your homepage. On your web browser, type in www.midjourney.com and search. Doing this will take you to the official site of midjourney.com. Now, at the bottom of the screen on your iOS device, tap on the share button and tap on add to home screen. Now, type in a name for the application if you want to give in a new name for the app. Now, after you are done, tap on add at the top right and you'll be able to download or get the MidJourney application on your mobile device. If you tap on the shortcut, you'll be able to end up in the main homepage. You can now go ahead and sign into your account and access to your MidJourney account right from your mobile device. That's how it can be done. If the video was helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.